Michelle and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing some new drugstore products. I love affordable makeup. I love finding new gems in the drugstore. The drugstore has my heart. I am all about a bargain and a good product. So we're going to be focusing on the eyes today. I have got a new mascara to try. The Rimmel Shake It Fresh Clump Free Volume Mascara. Maybe it's gimmicky, who knows? I have issues with my lashes. I love the look of mascara, but I hate the feel of thick, clumpy lashes, sticking together lashes. So I will pick the mascara off. So I'm hoping that this does not cause me to do that. I also purchased the L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted Scented Eyeshadow Palette that smells like peaches. It smells so good. Here's the color palette. I'll show you a bit of swatches. It is a little bit powdery. The colors are nice. I'm liking them. I've been really wanting a really nice peach palette for a while. I didn't want to spring for the Too Faced peach palette. That is $60 Canadian. So I thought maybe this would give me a similar look for a better price. So here's hoping. Here are the swatches in Natural Daylight. I also bought the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Waterproof Brow Gel in Blonde. Hopefully this is my color. I do have super issues with my brows. I've had them tattooed. I've had them microbladed. And they still keep fading off. So I have to draw them in every single day. It's my least favorite part of doing my makeup routine. It takes the longest. Your eyebrows are looking wonky. It ruins the whole look of your face. It ruins your whole day. Not to sound dramatic, but ladies, you know what I'm talking about. Your eyebrows frame your face. And if they're looking wonky, they're not even, they're not filled in properly, they're just not straight, whatever the case may be, it's horrible. So I'm really hoping this product works. It's the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Waterproof Brow Gel. This claims to last for 2 days, I believe. So I'm hoping that it at least is an easier application. The NYX Micro Brow Pencil is my holy grail. I use that every single day. But it does take a long time with a little tiny pencil filling it in. Sometimes the color won't take in certain spots of my eyebrows. I don't know if it's because of the microblading and the tattooing before maybe scar tissue. So I'm hoping something like this will work. I really do love the Ka-Brow by Benefit. That goes over all the scarring. It covers my eyebrows like nothing else. But it has dried out on me and I'm just not willing to go spend another $30-something on something that's going to dry out when I've used not even half of it. If you can see here, here it is. Here's the little clump. So like I was saying, I really hope that this Maybelline product works for me. I hope I got the right color. I bought it in blonde. I did open it just to test it on my hand, just to see what the color looked like, but I have not tried it on my eyebrows. I am very nervous, and I didn't want to do it when I'm going out, just in case it looks super duper crazy and ruins my whole face makeup. Right there. That's blonde. That's the lightest color they have. Okay, so I'm going to stop jibber-jabbering along and I'm going to show you a tutorial of me trying on all of these products. I'm going to use the mascara, I'm going to use the eyeshadows and the eyebrows, and then we're going to come back and see how it worked, see how they wear, see how they apply, all of that jazz. So if you're interested in seeing how these products apply, please keep watching. Let's just use a big fluffy brush, go with the white color here. Use it as a base. Then I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush like this. I'm going to try out this really pretty light peach color here. And just put it all over in the crease like a transition. A little bit more. It's not super pigmented, but let's see if it's buildable. A bit more on the other side. If you can see here, there's a lot of powder fallout. Blending. The most boring part of the eyeshadow look, but it is so necessary. Okay. Now I really want to see what this beautiful color will do. So I'm going to go in with a little packing brush, take this, and we're going to put it just on the outer third of the eye. Ooh, that's very, very pretty. And just push it up into the crease ever so slightly. The same on the other side. I'm just gonna go for like, you know, summer day look, nothing too extreme. Now I'm gonna take a small little crease brush and we're gonna go back in with this color, and I wanna go into the crease. Really bring in that pop of orangey, pinky. I don't really know what to call this color. Take that blending brush again and just go over it lightly. Make sure there's no harsh lines. Might actually take a little more of that peach to blend the colors together. I'm going to use this pencil brush again with this color and go underneath the lash line. Oh, there's so much powder. It's flying everywhere, getting in my eyeballs. Use a little flat brush like this. We're gonna go into the gold shade and I'm gonna put that all over the lid. Ooh, that has some very nice payoff. Sorry if you hear. So far I'm really liking these shadows. They do kick up a lot of powder, but they're applying quite nicely on the eyes. I think I'm gonna bring a little of the gold into the corner of the eyes and up under the eye. I'm gonna go in with this color right here. We're gonna go back into the crease just to add a little more dimension. I want most of the color on the edge, the outer corner. That's pretty. I'm gonna deepen the outer third of the eye. Just a little. I want this to be a nice bright summery look, so I don't want to go in with too many of the dark colors. I know technically you should be trying all of the colors when you're testing out a palette, but maybe in a future video I will if anybody's interested. For right now, I'm just going to see, these were the two colors I purchased this palette for. I really wanted a peachy and a pinky orangey type toned. I have nothing like this in my collection, so I think we're going to keep it there with the eyeshadow, just something simple and easy. I think it's very pretty. Very wearable. Now we're gonna go in with this mascara. See how this works. Shake this bad boy up. Oh, how come I can't hear it now? So it's like a green with gold writing, kind of not that great looking. Oh, it's in extreme black. This is how the bristles look. Very fat wand, nice fluffy looking bristles that go all the way around. Let's try this out. I usually do wipe off my mascara wand before applying because that helps me with my clumping, but this says it's not supposed to clump, and honestly so far it's clumping already. It's a very wet formula. Oh shit. It got on my eyelid already. Very wet and messy. You gotta be very careful. Maybe it'll be one of those things that dries out a little bit after it's sat for a while, but you can see that they are clumping together like crazy. What the heck? This is supposed to be the special technology, clump free. You know, it's crazy because Rimmel is one of my favorite mascaras. I love the one with keratin. I love the Lash Tint Complex by Rimmel, but this one, I don't know guys. I'm trying to separate it, but the more I try, the more it's just putting more product on my eye. I'm gonna try not dipping it back in and going to the other eye so there won't be as much product. See how that does? Oh my God, look at that big clump. This mascara sucks. You were lying to me. Rimmel, you're letting me down. It's getting in my hair and everything. It's making my lashes look very long. It's very black. That I will say. Sorry if I'm making any ugly mascara faces. Okay, this one is not clumping as much because it doesn't have as much product, I think, on it. So maybe that's the key, wiping the brush a lot before you attempt to use it. I want to go back over this and try to get those clumpy, like, it looks like I have 5 lashes all together. They're all just clumped together. That's the crazy thing. They make all these crazy claims on the packages and on the commercials, get you all excited, and then the one thing it's supposed to do is not clump. It clumps. It clumps like crazy. That's what clumping is, right? If it's making your lashes stick together, is that clumping, or is it when there's like a ball of mascara sitting on your lashes? I'm not gonna be a quitter. I'm gonna try my best to make this work, but as you can see, I've been working on this for a while, and I just don't think a mascara should be this hard to make it look good. I just don't. Holy crap. I'm losing my patience with it. This is definitely not my favorite mascara. Okay, we want you separated. We don't want you to join a cult and click together. We just didn't ask for that. Attempt to do the bottom lashes. I can only imagine what's gonna happen there. Oh God, oh God, oh God. Oh God. Oh, this isn't, they're not fluffy. They're not separated. So here's the lashes. Here's the length of them. Can you see how clumpy they are? It's like there's one clump there, one clump there, one clump there, and a whole bunch of lashes just clumped right there. This one is a little better, more fanned out than this one, but still not great. I wouldn't say I love this, and this one might be going back. We don't got money to waste on stuff that doesn't work. We do not. Oh God, my worst dreaded part are these eyebrows. So here's what my eyebrows look like with nothing on them. As you can see, there's a little bit of pigment still left from the microblading, but not much, and it definitely damaged my eyebrow right here. It's like very red orangey toned without any makeup on, which is really not cute. So it comes with this little tiny spoolie brush thing. I guess we'll try to use it. I actually went out and bought an eyebrow brush because I didn't have one. So I'm testing out a new eyebrow brush as well. It was only $2 by e.l.f., the small angled brush, used to apply lip color, eyebrow color, or to line the lips. I'm not going to apply it right from here. This brush is huge. I cannot see that giving me any definition or hair-like strokes. So we're just gonna go and take some product off of this and kind of draw it on myself. I think that's going to work the best. Let's see about doing an outline. Maybe we'll start at the back here. I don't think this color is even my color, to be honest with you. But if it's the lightest color, I don't know. Comment down below if you've used this product and if you would suggest a different color, seeing as you can see my hair color and my eyebrow color. Would the darker colors just be darker, or would it have just a better tone? Because this one has a bit of a reddish orangish tone. Okay, we're gonna try to brush it through a little bit. I mean, it's not terrible. It just doesn't look as precise as I get with the microbrow pencil. I use is taupe in the NYX brow pencil, and I don't think this is a match to that. It's like when you brush it through, it takes the color off your eyebrow. Trying to make your eyebrows match, I swear to God, it'll make anybody go insane. It's very hard to get it precise. Maybe this isn't a good eyebrow brush. Maybe if you have full brows and just a few sparse areas, you could just quickly run this through the sparse areas and be done. But because I don't have much brow at all, I can't do that. See how in some spots, no matter how much I go over it, it doesn't want to cover? I swear it's because my face is scarred now from the microblading. Do they look good? Do they look even? Does this color look like it matches my face? Comment down below and let me know what you think. I don't know. I have a feeling I'm gonna stick with my brow pencil. Okay, that's it. I'm not messing with this anymore. I'm going to use some concealer and just try to clean up the edges a little bit because it's looking a little crazy. I don't usually carve out my brows when I use the brow pencil, but I just feel like this stuff is so messy. It was just getting everywhere. Maybe I need to get used to using it. That's part of the problem. You know, I'm not comfortable with the product, how much to use, how little to use. Don't love how it applies, don't love the color. This is a lot of work for my brows, even more work than I normally would do with my brow pencil. Right now, I'm feeling very frustrated with it. Now I feel like I just took it all off of that one side of my brow, so one looks bare. I'm gonna get a proper eyebrow here. And you also, once it dries, you can't go back and mess around with it. It's just really hard and sticky. If you try to go back over it, like I tried to go back over right there, and it feels like it's pulling on the product. This is as good as it's gonna get. I don't know if I'd go out with my eyebrows like this, to be honest with you. The one good thing about this product is, unlike the Benefit Ka-Brow, it's liquid, so it's not going to dry out, I would assume. Not as easily. But because it's so liquidy, it's messy. I definitely didn't have this much trouble with the Benefit Ka-Brow. I love the eyeshadow. Honestly, I have no complaints with that. The mascara is a no-go. It needs to go back, I think. I may try it one more time and see in a couple days if it's not as sticky, and wipe off the brush first before I use it and see how it sits on my eyes for a few hours. If it starts irritating me, if I feel like I need to pick it off. It does feel sticky and kind of clumpy right now. I'm already wanting to get it off my lashes. I may try this eyebrow stuff one more time, but it was very difficult. It was so time consuming. So the eyeshadow for me is a definite win. It's super pretty. No problems with it blending. The eyebrows are wonky, in my opinion. Too dark for my face. I know they're not straight. Please don't come for me. That was my first time using such a liquidy product. I'm not sure how I feel about it, honestly. It was a lot of work. And the mascara, it looks pretty, kind of, but you can really see on this eye how clumped together it is. And I really prefer more separated lashes. Once I used the brush for this side and then moved on to this side with the same brush without dipping it back in, it seemed to do better on that side. If anybody else has used this product, please comment down below and let me know your experiences with it. If you enjoyed watching this try-on video and testing out new drugstore products, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps with my channel. It lets me know what videos you enjoy watching. Comment down below if you have any other suggestions of videos, and if you want to just say hi. And thanks so much for watching. So until the next time, bye!